Welcome to Welkinrim Technologies. So myself Govindaraj, I'm co-founder of Welkinrim Technologies. So today I'm proud introducing we have developed 15 variants of motors and ESCs along with the power boards, power distributions, PDBs, which are carefully engineered for different light dynamics, payloads, and environmental conditions. So whether it's smaller UAVs optimized for long endurance or a high thrust version which are optimized for vertical takeoff platforms, which are really needs to be in the operating conditions. So Welkinrim propulsion systems are efficient than global competitors, supported by various field test conditions, reports from our customers. Whether it's customized to a rapid throttle change or operating at higher throttle percentage, so everything can be customized as per the UAV market demands. Our propulsion systems are built on the common platforms which are scalable, flexible and modular. So whether it's tens of prototype or tens of thousands of prototypes, things are sorted. From motor winding to the PCB assembly, so everything is fully controlled, fully traceable and designed to attack the evolving UAV market. As India is pushing towards the indigenous UAVs, we at Welkinrim committed towards the backbone of the movement. So our vision is simple but yet ambitious to be the global market leaders in the next generation UAV propulsion systems.
Hi, I am Dinesh Natarajan, co-founder of Welkinrim Technologies. We are an IIT-incubated startup working on aerial propulsion systems. So we have started this company by 2018 and went on to work with certain listed companies, startups, and also we have worked with defense. So we have started this company as a service-based company and then pivoted to products. So products we have chosen to work on aerial propulsion system in the beginning. Why we have chosen this is market as we have all the expertise to cover all the things that is required for propulsion systems. We have an expertise of motor design, machine design, and we have an expertise to cover up your PCB structures, your power electronics and things. So all of the expertise that is required to put up a best performing propulsion systems out in the market, we do have the team. Till date we have multiple variants of motors covering multiple sectors of drone industry, starting from your camera drones to your payload carrying drones, agriculture drones, and even high altitude crafts which can carry up to 100 kg of payload. So this one with me is a motor that can give you up to maximum 40 kg of thrust that can be used at high altitudes. Recently got tested at IIT Labs, which is performing in that particular environment. At Welkinrim, we have a 9,000 square feet office space, which includes your production facility as well as your testing facility. So we focus more on the testing facility because we have to deliver products that is going to outperform the competitors in the market, and also it has to perform in the harsh conditions as well. So we have classified this testing facility into three aspects. One is development testing that happens day in and day out while we develop our motors, controllers and other power electric components. And once the development is completed, then we push the motors into your endurance testing and performance testing. So performance testing will take place first. We gauge the performance, tune it to the competitors' motors or the high performance motors and extract maximum efficiency out of it. That's the goal of performance testing factor. And then we have invested largely into your endurance testing, where all the motors or the batch production motors that is going to clock 1000 hours as a stipulated condition before we push it into the market. Talking about the production facility, we have currently having a capacity to produce 200 motors per month, and we are planning to scale it to 500 motors per month. As the name suggests, sky is our limits and maybe pushing the boundaries to deliver a world-class performing product to the drone ecosystem.